In this video, you'll learn how to use Vena's inventory forecasting and planning template to better plan for your demand and inventory levels. Provided here is a set of instructions on how to get started using this template to improve your business planning process today. But let's get right into it and see how this template really works. Here you can see how this template allows for you to easily plan and forecast your inventory levels while taking into account product demand, minimum order sizes, and lags in product delivery. First, let's select our planning year and period. We can start off here in 2024. Now, you can see we have an input section for our product demand by type. We can also set up our minimum order quantity per pallet and adjust for our different orders. We can also set up a time lag of our deliveries. Here, we'll choose 1. Now you can see how our plan automatically adjusted to our changes, highlighting issues where we're no longer meeting the demand for our products. Here you can see it occurring in August of 2023 and August of 2024. In order to adjust for these issues, let's move back our orders from August to July. Again, you can see, as I make these adjustments, how the template is automatically adjusting to these changes in order to forecast accurately for the rest of our inventory. Now you can see all the issues have been resolved. We can go ahead and save this template and share it with the rest of our team. And that's it. You can now use this free Excel template to automatically plan for your business's demand and inventory levels. To download this free template and all of our other Excel and Power BI templates, head on over to venasolutions.com/templates.